Hello, friends! I'm here to read you this book today. It is called Splash. It was written and illustrated by Ann Jonas. Today, helping me with the book are my daughter Linnea and my son Freddie. There's lots of math problems in this book, so stay with us and try to do the math. All right. I have a pond in my backyard. I have 1 turtle, 2 catfish, 3 frogs, and 4 goldfish. I feed them every day. Friends, how many is that all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the pond. We start with 6 animals in the pond. Let's see what happens next. Great. My cat comes home. He wakes my dog. The turtle jumps into the pond. Woo. There were 6 in there, and now there are 6 plus 1 makes 7. My cat watches the fish. My dog chases the cat. 1 frog jumps in. Splash! Now how many are in my pond? There were 7, and now we add 1 more. 7 plus 1 equals 8. Uh-oh, my dog falls in. Splash! My cat falls in. Splash! Now how many are in my pond? Well, we had 8, and now we add 2. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Two frogs jump in. Splash, splash! Now how many are in my pond? 10 plus 2 equals 12. My dog and cat climb out. A dragonfly falls in. 1 frog hops out. All right, so let's see how many are in my pond. So first, the dog and the cat climbed out. That was 12 minus 2 equals 10. And then the dragonfly fell in. 10 plus 1 equals 11. And then a frog hopped in too, or frog hopped out. So now it's 11 minus 1 equals 10. Goodness. 2 frogs hop out. My dog falls back in. Splash! Now how many are in my pond? Well, when the 2 frogs hopped out, that was 10 minus 2, which equals 8. But then the dog fell in again. 8 plus 1 equals 9. I help my dog out. The dragonfly flies off. 1 frog jumps in. Splash! There were 9, but the dog got out and the dragonfly flew away. 9 minus 2 is 7. But then a frog jumped in. 7 plus 1 equals 8. A bird flies away. Another frog jumps in. Splash! I fall in. Splash! Now how many are in my pond? 8 plus 2 equals 10. 10 are in the pond. The third frog jumps in. The turtle stays in. I climb out. So, 10 plus 1 equals 11. But then, 11 minus 1 equals 10. My dog is sad. My cat is mad. I feed my fish. That is the end of the story. Thank you, Blue Room friends, for playing along with us. Goodbye.